Good morning students. In this video we will discuss about structure of Java program and also after writing the program how we will compile and run the program. This is a sample of Java programming. Here we will see the structure of the program. So first of all the comments. The text within slash and asterisk or after double slash is treated as comment. Computer ignore these lines. Then the next one is class declaration. So class is here the keyword and it declares the program's name. It indicates that we are going to create a new class. For example, here it is welcome is the new class and we have to write the class C in small letter, all the words in the small letter. Then the next one is main. This is the place from where programmers executions begin when the class is executed, and the main function is defined as being public static with a void return type. In the program which I had shown you earlier, the main method contain one statement, that is system.out.println. Then public. It indicates that the method can be called from anywhere inside or outside the class. Keyword static indicate that the method remains the same for all instances of the class. Then the next one is void. This is also a keyword which signifies that the function will not return any result except the text that we entered in the print statement. Then string args, the last part of the statement it is. It is also called command line argument. This args is array and then set of string objects that represents argument or any parameter passed on to the class at a time of execution. System.out.print. This is the statement we are using to print any message or result on the screen. So we can use here plus symbol to combine two or more items in a single line. And when we require the output in the single line, then we will leave that ln. It will use only system.out.print and then bracket whatever you require in the double quote. So now in this way we have to write the program, and after the program coding we have to compile. So compilation is a process of converting the programming statement to the machine language by a compiler. Here we need to click on the compile button, and then if there is no error in the program it will show there no syntax error, and if any error is there then we have to remove them and then compile the program again, and then we have to click on the close button. Now we have to right click on the welcome class icon, and then we have to select the void main and then string args option from the pop-up menu as you can see on the screen. We will get a BlueJ method call dialog box as you can see in this figure, and then we have to press OK or click OK, and the output window will be displayed. Now this is the BlueJ terminal window. Here we can see the output. To get the output we had given the code in the system.out.print under the double quote sign. So we can see whatever written under the double quote in this way.